Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back again. We are here with chapter 4 physical education and sports for children with special need known as Divyang. It is chapter 4 part 4 and it is of plus 2 class. Very important chapter. In previous part we completed about disability disorder or what are the causes behind that disability or disorder we have seen in the individuals. So today we will do some disorders. Disorder. We can say which thing is not in order, known as disorder. Okay, disorder, it is mentally disease, we can say, but sometime any disability also as a reason behind the disorder in the individual. Okay, because of any type of disability, a disorder can take place in the behavior of the individual. Disorder, maximum we can observe any disorder through the behavior of the person. We can see easily or after involve with the individual that we start doing work together, or after that we can observe the person is having any type of disorder, or through observation we can we can see easily who is a normal one or who is having a little bit different behavior. It means some type of disorder is existing in the behavior of the individual. Okay, such type of disabilities like cause of polio, cause of any accident, cause of by birth heredity, okay, cause of any natural disaster, cause of any, we can say, nuclear attack. So many phenomena are there. Many phenomena can be the reason behind any disability or cause of that disability. A disorder take birth in the behavior of the individual. Now types of disorder. Disorder, types of disorder means some general disorders which easily we can found around us in the society, especially in the children, or if an individual did not get the proper treatment, then we can see the disorder in adult also. Okay, first one is there ADHD. It is known as attention deficit hyperactivity Okay, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, means attention deficit, lackness of attention. The person cannot concentrate on a single thing. Hyperactivity means activities more than normal one. Every time the person we have seen that will see like he will look like a hyperactive one. So it is known as the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Next one, SPD. SPD, sensory processing disorder. Sensory processing disorder means, we know three types of nerves are there in our body, that is known as receptor, effector and motor nerve. Three type of nerves existing in the human body. When any type of problem is there to passing the message toward the effector or to getting the message through receptor toward the brain, if any type of obstacle is there, any type of lackness is there in the senses, like senses are not doing work properly, so it is known as sensory processing disorder, means senses के process में कोई कमी होना, sensory processing disorder. Third one is ASD, autism spectrum disorder. Autism, the word autism, mainly it found in the childs. We can say shyness, a child who is feeling shy more than normal, so we can say autism. A child who is not speaking with the parents, we can say he is having a autism, means the person is, we can say, lost inside. He not involved in the outer activity, not talking with anybody, separately he is alone and thinking, he know what the individual is thinking continue, so it is known as the autism spectrum disorder. Mainly it is found in the childs, but if a individual not get treatment at proper time, so it take a worst situation in the adult also, because in childhood if autism is there, it easily can be tolerable, we can tolerate it easily, because nothing is there, a individual or child is not talking with anybody, or many more symptoms are there. But if a child grow up and become a adult, or still the activities are same, so the individual face very high level of the problems to adjust himself in the society. Fourth one is there ODD. ODD known as obsessive defiant disorder. ODD, oppositional defiant disorder, oppositional defiant disorder. Maybe any of the word pronunciation may be wrong from my side, you have to correct from your side. Opposition or any spelling mistake will be there. My hand is loose in English. So oppositional defiant disorder means a children or individual, every time he is having a oppositional behavior, whatever the individual's parents, whatever the teacher of the individual saying to the child, he feel that he is against me, or automatically he will retaliate or react on that. He also react the same behavior like a normal thing also. These type of individual who is having this disorder, they will show that they are having a oppositional behavior. everything what the teacher want to implement on them, every work what the teacher or parents want to give them, they oppose that thing. Okay, so it is the disorder. Fifth one is there, last one, that is OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder means sometime what happen, we have seen any type of we can say repeated work again and again a individual is doing. Suppose a individual having this disorder, or he came from outside, like nowadays we know that COVID-19 is spreading very fast in the society. Suppose the person is having this disorder or he came from outside, so he try to wash his hand again and again, means a doubt is there in their mind that something problem is there, like if he washed his hand properly, again he will come back or he will again wash it, because a doubt is that they having a obsessive. Okay, so these 5 disorders are there in your book: ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder; SPD, sensory processing disorder; ASD, autism spectrum disorder; ODD, oppositional defiant disorder; and OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. One by one we will do these all in the video. These type of disorder in childhood, if there it is, parents easily can observe it, or sometime what happen in our country, people are not this much aware, they even don't know about what is the which type of sparrow or chidiya it is. Okay, they have to, or they not concentrate on these type of activity, because sometime what happen, a child we know that hyperactive, so parents think that a child who is having hyperactivity because of the instinct in childhood that they want to play, they want to do sports activity, means activity which they like the most, so they leave this matter, nothing it is. Or many other disorder also, people not concentrate on the disease, not concentrate on the behavior, or they did not consult with the doctor. Or what happen, when the child grow, when he enter in the adolescent period, suppose oppositional defiant disorder, in adulthood it take worst position, means we can say it is a criminal instinct in the behavior of the child. Criminal instinct means it compel the child to go toward the crime. Or what happened, because of that behavior they did in their future, they did in their life any type of work which is under the criminal, means under the crime. So these disorders, parents, teachers easily they can observe, or they can suggest to the parents. If a teacher observe this type of disorder, or parents if they have a knowledge of this disorder, then easily they can observe or they can consult with the doctor that my child having this problem. If any disorder is there, then doctor suggests the we can say preventive measures, that how we can overcome from the disorder. So in this video, these 5 type of disorder I discuss. Next video स्टेप बाय स्टेप, वन बाय वन वी डिस्कस ऑल द डिसऑर्डर। तब तक के लिए सभी को थैंक यू। टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ।